Wait.
Can you guys see that for a second?
Okay, wait, ready, Andrew? We both have to enter it and say something. What should we say?
Handshake. We just do an awesome handshake.
Are you done with your yogurt or no? Are you making this up?
Awesome handshake.
Awesome handshake. Are you too tall for the screen? Should I make it up a little bit more? Okay, but then I look short. Hi guys, it's Ashley and Andrew, and today we're gonna be cooking in the kitchen. We're making pumpkin muffins. What's that for? Oh, for the pumpkin? Okay.
Can?
This is our pumpkin. I just bought it at the store. This pumpkin expired May 18th, 2018, but he doesn't have to know that. Okay, Andrew, I still have to...
Is that backwards?
No, Andrew. Do you want it to be like a hearty, healthy muffin?
No, I want it to be sweet and yummy. Can I open this?
But I like the hearty muffins. Okay. Okay. Are you, Andrew, why are you opening it like that? First, you whisk together pumpkin oil, almond milk, and brown sugar. So we're going to whisk. Do we need a whisk? You can just use a spoon.
We don't have pumpkin oil.
Andrew.
Did you say pumpkin oil?
Andrew!
Did you just say pumpkin oil? What? I'm so confused.
You whisk pumpkin oil and milk together.
Maybe
Maybe if I, I'm sorry.
Should I just do this?
1/3 cup of canola oil, or just any oil.
Wait, get this, Ashley.
This is kind of gross. I really like how you use that kind of spatula, the rubber ones.
Burning and itching, burning and itching.
Itching and burning, itching and burning. ASMR, that was terrible. One more. Okay, next we are gonna take 1/3 cup of oil.
Okay, and what oil? Pumpkin oil. Stop. That's disgusting.
No, it just tastes like baby food.
Watch this. You better
drink it. I dare you to drink it. No, no, no. One time I was doing a physics project. It was something with like the refraction of light, and we used olive oil. And we used olive oil because it had like a different refractive index than water, and then the kids in my group they took shots of olive oil.
This looks awful, Ashley. This looks like more diarrhea.
Lift it up and show it to them.
Ashley.
Yes?
Get your stuff together. Let's go. I have to turn in a homework by 9. And I'm going to a football game.
Only 3 o'clock.
I'm going to a football game.
Okay,
Ashley,
guys, I'm using cashew milk.
The
the bowl so I can show me putting in the bowl.
Like they care. Oh my gosh, you put
like
in the cashew
like they
milk.
care. They're watching this video because they care.
No, they don't. They really don't care.
Excuse you.
Excuse me. Did I fart? No.
Yes?
This looks awful, Ashley. Where's dry mix? Is there nothing that goes into this?
Where's dry mix? Wait. Oh yeah, okay. Guys, look at Andrew's outfit that he chose all by himself. He looks amazing. I'm so proud.
Brown sugar? Are you sure?
Yeah, brown sugar. Because brown sugar would be dense.
Just like your attitude.
Wait. This is beautiful. Can you please show on the video? That was kind of gross.
Yeah, what the? Stop.
Why?
What the? Don't. Ew! No!
But it tastes so good.
Yeah, but that's. Oh! Stop eating it. It's straight up sugar, Ashley.
And?
If Ashley develops diabetes,
Andrew,
we shall know why.
You say that's straight up sugar and then you like literally drink a Red Bull.
Hey, it's Monster Energy.
Hey.
Did you know Mom said I could legally change my name to Kyle if I wanted to?
Mom said that?
No, I just made that up.
But would she support you if you did that?
Does Mom ever support us? Yes, all the time.
Facts. Mom would support you even if your name was Kyle.
Okay, you know what? This
pumpkin is so smooth. I put the tripod dead ass in the pumpkin. Oh, that was so beautiful. That's enough. No.
I want it to be sweet.
Bro, I think that's enough. Andrew, no.
Now it's gonna be like chunky poop now with this brown sugar.
Oh.
It smells really bad if I have to be honest.
It smells like baby food. Do you have a problem with baby food? One day, Andrew, you're gonna have to feed your child that. Exactly what you're making right now.
No, I'm gonna adopt a full-born.
With one in... Are you gonna have kids, Andrew? Nah, I'm gonna adopt a full-born. Wow.
Don't.
The viscosity, the texture.
Okay, what now? Ashley.
1 3/4 cup all-purpose flour. Itching and burning, itching and burning.
Shout out to all those people that live in communist countries.
Andrew, why?
Don't worry about it.
Okay, now you mix it, bruh.
I don't want to spill it because it's flour.
Okay, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Andrew, do you know the difference between baking powder and baking soda?
No.
Me neither.
This is kind of chunky. What the hell?
So here's my baking powder.
Imagine if Isaac Newton didn't create gravity.
Yeah, imagine if he didn't create it.
Everybody's like, God did.
Everyone's like, God created gravity, and you're like, nah, Isaac
Newton did.
created.
You idiots! Imagine watching our videos. We're getting paid for this. And you're not.
Y'all mad.
They watch our videos and we just get paid. And they don't get paid for watching our videos. It's practically labor that they're doing for us.
Andrew, that was the most facts thing I ever heard in my life.
I'm just tired. I'm just tired and energetic.
One.
Where's the teaspoon thing?
Where's the chapstick?
Wait, this is a teaspoon or table?
2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Ew, Andrew! Let's add nutmeg.
Should I try eating a whole
The
thing?
psychedelics.
There's nothing coming out.
That's ginger. It's not nutmeg.
Oh!
I'm gonna sneeze. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Damn, I can't believe I sprinkled ginger instead of nutmeg. Anyways, guys, here's our bowl of curry. Just use a little bit.
This is dill.
Nope, that straight up says pumpkin spice, right?
Oh, fudge.
That was kind of a lot.
It's gonna be spicy. Oh, I have to sneeze now.
Are you serious? Oh, he actually sneezed. Wait, we have to preheat the oven. We're fools. Oh, it says being careful not to overmix. We made a mistake.
We tried our best.
Okay, guys, time to line the muffin pan. Here are our muffin liners. They're Halloween-themed muffin liners, and they say, haunt it like you got it. These look like they're from Target.
Wait, so where do I spray this? On the inside of
No. We're using liners, so we don't need the spray. Don't spray. Bro, I said not to spray it.
These are thin.
Well, yeah, they're liners. It's like a panty liner, but for the muffin tin. Just use the ice cream spoon. I don't know.
How much do I put in?
That's enough.
This is getting really messy. What was it preheated?
375. Okay, guys, we're putting them in the oven. Just put that on the top rack. I don't know. Don't burn yourself. This one on the bottom rack. Ow! Just kidding.
No.
I'm just kidding. We'll come back once the muffins are done, and we'll do a taste test and tell you guys how it tastes.
I should be done with my homework right now.
Okay, so I actually just realized that we need some icing. So while Andrew does his homework, I'm gonna make some icing. These are like Earth Balance vegan stick butter. So butter and sugar, butter and sugar. What made me think it was okay to try to do this with chilled butter right now? Y'all know the most important part of every recipe is cleaning up. Ah, from the valley. God bless. Oh, there's a Halloween genre playlist. What? The muffins are done. The muffins
Going to the game, Andrew? When's the game start?
7.
I think that they cracked on top, Andrew, because we overmixed the batter.
They split. That's it.
They split, but that's okay. They smell good still. Wait, Andrew, do you want to put icing on it? I made a bunch of icing.
No. More sugar.
Are you serious?
I told you.
Icing, ready?
Mm-hmm.
We still could cook it probably a little bit more.
Yeah.
Did you finish? Andrew, finish your muffin.
That wasn't mine.
Yes, it was.
Oh, no.
I think we overmixed it. Why did that sound like that?
Watch this.
I'm ready. Why? Wipe that up.
Move.
Oh. Wait.
You guys see that for a second?
Look at the camera.
Ha ha.
No! Don't throw it at me. Don't throw it at me. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. How did you do that? Guys, my crotch is all wet. Hi, Bubby. It's okay, Bubby. Bubby, it's okay. You know, I never miss Hit or miss. you still have nipples.
You still have a pee stain.
Yeah, well, who has nipples? Only you.
No! Okay, see you later, guys.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Double tap the like button, double tap the subscribe button. Make sure to click confirm when I say unsubscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.